Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Kenkin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this cooler by Jonsbo for your real needs. CR3000E ARGB, and this is a 1200 mm, no 120 mm dual fan, dual tower CPU cooler, and it includes a 5V addressable ARGB. As you can see, it supports Intel LGA 1115X, 1200, 1700, 1851, which is the latest, as well as AMD AM4, AM5. So I think Jonsbo has a CR3000, which is a higher tier with 7 heat pipes. This one comes with 6 heat pipes. As you can see, so the cooler height is 155 mm, fan is 120 times 25 mm, hydraulic bearings, and you have 6 heat pipes, all of which are 6 mm diameter. You can support up to 260 watt TDP. Fan speed is 1600 RPM plus minus 10%. Airflow is 72.23 CFM. Pressure is 1.92 mm H2 wall. Noise level is 22 to 34 dB. Connector is 4-pin, the PWM. Yeah, all the sockets here, and the weight is around 9-10 grams. So this is one of the cheapest white cooler I can find. But one of the things I did realize is the fins are still in aluminum color, which are original color. They are not painted white, so I guess it's not really full white, but this is pretty cheap. I think it's less than 120 ringgit when I bought it on sale. So I actually accidentally bought 2, so I'll have to sell it off, one of which. So yeah, I digress. So CR3000E user manual. Got all the stoppers or tools needed for all of your brackets, and 4 and 5 Intel series. And then here's the cooler itself. As you can see, this is wrapped like this, and then and it actually comes sort of pre-installed. Like, let me just show you quickly. So pretty cool design. I mean, it's wrapped like this. Yeah. So yeah, it is sort of pre-installed. So yeah. So remember to remove this. Yeah, comes pre-installed. Yeah, remember to remove this when you install it. So you see this white sticker with red words just to warn you off. You got all your cables connected here. See, this is 4-pin. The RGB pins, these are not needed, so it's capped off, but this is the one you'll be needing to connect. There are daisies chained together, so it goes to the fan and the RGB, and it's already pre-installed. As you can see, the blade is also a bit translucent to give off the color. There's rubber here. Fan frame is white, so 155 mm here, decent enough for my Ryzen 7600, and I'm not even gonna overclock it, so this is pretty good already. Some RGB on the top, but it's covered off with some white panels. Pretty good designed. I think one of the things I want to mention is, although I appreciate it comes pre-installed with the fan bracket or whatnot, but you still need to remove this middle fan to get to these screws here, so that you can lock it onto your motherboard. So, but I guess they did it for space saving, and that's fine with me. So yeah, 155 mm dual tower. I'm not sure if you have RAM clearance issue, because I'll be building it into a DDR5. But overall, it looks great. It's just a little bit of shame that the fins are not white, but given the price, I'm okay. Even the brackets, you see, these are silver. But yeah, I'm sure it's gonna look nicer. There's a higher tier CR3000. I think it's a bit taller with 7 heat fans, and then the top panel here has better RGB lights, but it doesn't matter for me. I'm just gonna use this because it's cheaper, more budget friendly. And then yeah, 6 heat pipe, each of which is 6 mm in diameter. It's good enough for my build. And I'm gonna install it into my Lianli Dan A3 MATX compact case. So yeah, please make sure to watch out my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found it useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.